Imagine, if you will, a world where our familiar yellow sun is replaced by a searing blue star. What would happen? How would life, as we know it, change? Would we even recognize our own planet? Blue stars, with their intense blue hue, are among the hottest and most luminous celestial bodies in the universe. Their scorching surface temperatures often exceed a blistering 30,000 Kelvin, dwarfing our sun's relatively modest 5,000 Kelvin. These stellar giants are not only larger but also burn through their fuel at a much faster rate than our sun, leading to their relatively short, yet spectacular lives. If our sun were suddenly replaced by a blue star, the impact on Earth's climate would be significant. The increased radiation from the blue star would lead to a drastic rise in global temperatures, creating a world much hotter than we're accustomed to. Imagine equatorial regions that are too hot to inhabit and polar ice caps melting at an alarming rate. And what about life on Earth? The new environmental conditions would cause a ripple effect through ecosystems worldwide. Plants, animals, and even humans would be challenged to adapt to the heightened radiation. Many species might not survive these drastic changes, leading to an unfortunate wave of extinction. However, life is resilient. Some organisms may evolve new protective mechanisms, showcasing the incredible adaptability that life on Earth possesses. From an astronomical perspective, the appearance of a blue star in our sky would be a sight to behold. These luminous giants cast a brilliant, almost otherworldly blue glow across the cosmos. The night sky as we know it would be transformed, illuminated by the intense light of our new sun. Astronomers and stargazers would witness an entirely new celestial landscape, complete with vibrant blue nebulae and dazzling star clusters. Yet, the long-term implications of this scenario are sobering. The lifespan of a blue star is much shorter than that of a yellow dwarf like our sun. This means that our new blue sun would burn through its fuel far more quickly, potentially shortening the habitable lifespan of our solar system and hastening the eventual demise of life on Earth. In conclusion, the thought experiment of our sun being replaced by a blue star is a fascinating exploration of the interconnectedness and fragility of life in our universe. It underscores the delicate balance that allows life to thrive on Earth and reminds us of the awe-inspiring forces that shape our cosmos. As we delve into these hypothetical scenarios, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate and delicate dance of celestial bodies that make life on our planet possible.